Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Asana project permissions not working. Many users cannot access or edit projects correctly, and this usually happens due to incorrect roles, cache, or browser issues. First, refresh the page, press Ctrl+R, and check if permissions update. Minor glitches often fix this way. Step 1, verify your role in the project. Go to Project Settings, Greater than Members, and check your access level. You need proper permissions to view or edit tasks. Step 2, clear browser cache and cookies. Corrupted cache may block updated permissions. Clear cache for Asana and reload. Step 3, disable browser extensions. Ad blockers or privacy tools may interfere. Turn them off temporarily and test again. Step 4, try incognito or private mode. This runs Asana without extensions or cached data. If permissions work here, cache or extensions were the problem. Step 5, update your browser or Asana app. Outdated software may prevent permissions from applying. Use the latest Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Asana app. Step 6, check workspace or team settings. Some permissions are set at the workspace level. Ensure your role allows project access. Finally, contact Asana support if permissions still don't work. Provide workspace, project, browser, and steps tried. Support can check account or server-side issues. So yeah, fixing Asana project permissions not working is about refreshing the page, verifying your role, clearing cache, disabling extensions, using incognito, updating software, checking workspace settings, and contacting support. Follow these steps and permissions should work normally again. Hello everyone, today